Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture on electrical circuit analysis. So today let us start our topic on concept of reciprocity. Just wait. Just a minute. Concept of reciprocity. Now we have the two ports. Okay, so we are finding we are applying the voltage at port 1, that is V1, and the current at port 1 is I1, and we are short circuiting the port 2, okay, and we are finding this I2 dash and the ratio of this input voltage to this output current, that is V1 by I2 dash when other port is short circuit, that is V2 equal to 0 is equal to, okay, so we are interchanging the condition. Now see, applying the port 2 voltage V2 and current is I2, and we are making short circuiting this port 1 and we are finding the I1 dash. So this equal to V2 by I1 dash when V1 equal to 0. So these two values are equal, then the network is said to be reciprocity. Okay, let us say equation A. The network is said to be, reciprocal. So now what is this here? I2 dash. So current is here I2. So therefore here I2 equal to I2 dash. Okay. So here V2 equal to 0, but this I2 equal to minus I2 dash. And here V1 equal to 0 and I1 equal to minus I1 dash. Okay. Now let us derive the condition of reciprocity in Z parameters. Okay. So take the first one. What is the first one? First one is Z parameters. Now, what is the condition for reciprocal in a Z parameters? Now see, first write down the equations. So Z parameter equation V1, V2. Okay. So these are the function of what? I1, I2. V1, V2 are function of I1, I2, Z11, I1 plus Z12, I2, equation number 1, Z21, I1 plus Z22, I2, equation number 2. Now, so what is the step 1? So the first step 1 is V2 is 0, that is port 2 is short circuit and I2 equal to minus I2 dash. Okay, so we have to find what? V1 by I2 dash. Okay, so therefore this must be expressed, this I2 must be expressed in terms of I2 dash. Okay, now see, so equation number 1, from 1, V1 equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2 equal to what? Minus I2 dash. So we want what? V1 by I2 dash. So we have to express this I1 in terms of I2 dash. So therefore, I am using the equation 2. From this equation 2 what? V2 equal to 0. So this is equal to what? Z21 I1 plus Z22 is I2 equal to minus I2 dash. So therefore, you send this Z22 I2 dash equal to Z21 I1. So from this I1 equal to Z22 by Z21 into I2 dash. Substitute this value, okay? Substitute I1 value in equation, let us say this is 3, equation 3. Okay, so from equation 3, can easily obtain that V1 equal to Z11 into what is I1? So substitute the value Z22 by Z21 into I2 dash plus Z12 into minus I2 dash. Now, let us take the I2 dash is a common. Okay, so take the I2 dash is common. So what is the value? Z11, Z22 by Z21 minus Z12. Now I want what? V1 by 2 dash. So therefore you bring this I2 dash. Okay, you bring this I2 dash to the LHS side. Therefore you will get what? So V1 by I2 dash equal to, now see, what is the value? Get it? Just a minute. Yes. So what is LCM here? LCM is Z21. Okay. So Z11, Z22 minus Z12, Z21. So let's say equation number 4. Okay. So step 1 is completed. So by short circuiting the port 2, we found that V1 by I2 dash. Now step 2. Okay. Step 2. Now short circuit the port 1, that is V1 equal to 0, and now this time I1 will become minus I1 dash. Now what is our goal? So goal is to find out V1 by I1 dash. Okay, so from equation 1, V1 equal to 0, that equal to what? Z11 I1 equal to minus I1 dash plus Z12 I2. Then we have to find what? I2 value. So from this I2 equal to Z11 by Z12 I1 dash. So substitute this value, substitute the I2 value in equation 2. So what is equation 2? V2 equal to Z21 I1, but what is I1? Minus I1 dash plus Z22, what is I2? So this value Z11, Z12 into I1 dash. Now, so V2 equal to, take the I1 dash common. Okay. So first I am writing this positive value Z11 by Z12. So Z11 Z22 by Z12 minus the Z21. Now I bring this I1 to the LHS side. So V2 by I1 dash is equal to what? So Z12 is LCM. So Z11 Z22 minus Z12 Z21. So equation number 5. Okay. So what is the condition for reciprocity? According to equation A, that is the condition for reciprocity is what? So here V1 by I2 dash and V2 equal to 0 is equal to V2 by I1 dash and V1 equal to 0. Okay. So according to equation A, this equation 4 must be equal to equation 5. Then what is equation 4? See, Z11, Z22 minus Z12 to Z21 by Z21. Okay, so Z11 Z22 minus Z12 Z21 by Z21 is equal to what? Z11 Z22 minus Z12 Z21 by Z12. Okay, so this numerator are both are same. Okay, so it cancel 1. So do the cross multiplication. Z12 equal to Z21. So if for the given network, if the Z12 equal to Z21, then the given network is reciprocal. Given network is reciprocal. Next what is what? Next to now find the condition of reciprocity in Y parameters. Y parameters. So first write the Y parameter equations. I1, I2, port 1, port 2 currents are function of port 1, port 2 voltages respectively. Okay, so Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2 equation number 1. Next Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2 equation number 2. Now first, what is the first step? So step 1. Step 1 is what? Same, necessary same. V2 equal to 0 and I2 equal to minus I2 dash. Now we have to find what? V1 by I2 dash. What is the goal here? So goal, see, you have to remember this goal is to find V1 by I2 dash. Okay. Because we are short circuiting the port 2. Now, what is the value? Now find out that from the equation. Okay, so here V1 by I2 dash. So from this equation, let us say equation 1. Okay, so I1 equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2. From equation 2, nothing is changing here. See, so I2 is what? Minus I2 dash equal to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. We want what? This V1 by I2 dash. Therefore, this V2 must be expressed. So from this equation, so V2 equal to what? V2 equal to what is V2? Yes. So as this V2 is 0, so this V2 is 0. Therefore, this entire term is 0. From this, what we want? V1 by I2 dash. So you bring this I2 dash RHS side to Y21 other side. So minus 1 by Y21. Equation number 3. Next. What is the next one? Next step. So the next step is step 2. Step 2 is what? V1 equal to 0 and I1 equal to minus I1 dash. Okay. So from equation 1, okay, I1, equation 1, I1 equal to Y11 V1, but V1 is 0. Y12 V2. Y12 V2. Then what we want? V2 by I1 dash. But here I1 equal to what? Minus I1 dash equal to Y12 V2. So from this V2 by I1 dash is equal to what? So minus 1 by Y12. Equation number 4. So from this, so according to what? According to reciprocity condition. According to, okay, condition for reciprocity. Condition for reciprocity. Reciprocity. That is what? Equation A. So this equation 3 must be equal to equation 4, which is implies what? 1 minus 1 by y21 equal to minus 1 by y12. Okay, so the minus minus cancel. Okay, y12 to the cross multiplication. Okay, so y12 equal to y21. So this is the condition for reciprocity in y parameters. Next one is what? The third one is what? H parameters. Now let us find out the condition for reciprocity in H parameters. Okay, condition for reciprocity in H parameters. What is H parameters? H parameter require, write down V1 equal V1 and I2. Port 1 voltage, port 2 current are function of what? I1 and V2. I1 and V2. Okay, H11 I1 plus H12 V2, H21 I1 plus H22 V2. Okay, so write down first step 1, start the step 1. What is the step 1? So V2 equal to 0 and this I2 equal to minus I2 dash. So we have to find out what? So goal is to find V1 by I2 dash. This you have to find. Okay. Now V1. So I2 dash. So this I2 equal to I2 dash. H21 I1. This V2 0. Therefore substitute this I1 value. Okay. In this equation. Then you will get. Now see. Let us say this is equation number 1. Equation number 2. So from 2. This I2 equal to minus I2 dash equal to H21 I1. Of course, this V2 0, this entire term is 0. So from this, what is the I1 value? I1 equal to minus I2 dash by H21. Okay. So substitute this I1 value. Okay, in equation 1. Okay, so what we found? So equation 1. So from the equation 1, okay, V1 equal to H11. What is I1? I1 is minus I2 dash by H21. See this H21. Okay, now H12 V2, but V2 is 0. This entire term is 0. So therefore from this we want what? V1 by H11. So send this I2 dash to the RHS side. So V1 by I2 dash is equal to minus H11 by, okay, just wait. Yes, so here H11 equal to, okay, V1 by I2 dash is equal to H11 by minus H21. So equation number 3. Okay, now we found the V1 by I2 dash. Next, step 2. So step 2 is V1 equal to 0 when I2 equal to, let us say, sorry, I1 equal to minus I1 dash. Now what is the goal? Goal to find V1 by V2 by I1 dash, you have to find. Okay. So from the equation 1, we are using what? So I1 equal to what? Sorry. Yes, just wait. What is equation 1? V1 equal to V1 is equal to H11 I1, H12 V2. Okay. So V1 equal to, that is V1 equal to 0. It is equal to H11 I1. But this I1 is equal to minus I1 dash. Okay. Minus I1 dash plus H12 V2. H12 V2. Okay. So from this what? H11 I1 dash is equal to H12 V2. Therefore, now from this, so this will go to the minus will go to plus if LHS. It is go to H11 I1 will go to LHS side. Minus will become plus. H11 I1 dash equal to H12 V2. So we want what? V2 by I1 dash. E2 by I1 dash. That means you bring this side. So H11 by H12. H12. So this is equal to equation 4. Okay. So according to the condition of reciprocity. Okay. That is according to equation A. Okay. This equation 3 must be equal to equation 4. Okay. So what is equation 4 here? Okay. So equation 3. That is minus H11 by H21 is equal to H11 by H12. So H11 cancel to the cross multiplication. Then this H12 equal to minus H21. So this is the condition for reciprocity in H parameters. Next one, let us derive the condition of reciprocity in ABCD parameters or T parameters. ABCD or T parameters. Transmission parameters or chain parameters. So first write down the equations. So voltage V1 and current I1 at port 1 are sending end equal to function of AV2 minus BI2 and CV2 minus DI2. So these are the equations of the ABCD parameters, equation 1, equation 2. What is the step 1? So for all the procedure is same. Step 1 is what? Port to 2 short circuit. Okay. And I2 equal to minus I2 dash. Okay. Now what we have to find? V1 by I2 dash we have to find. Okay. So from the equation 1, okay, V1 equal to A. V2 is what? V2 is 0. So minus B into what is I2? Minus I2 dash. I2 dash. Therefore, what we want this bring this I2 dash to the LH side. So V1 by I2 dash, which is equal to what? Minus to minus plus B. So equation number 3. Next, what is the next one? Step 2. So step 2 is what? V1 equal to 0 and I1 equal to minus I1 dash. And to find what? V2 by I1 dash we have to find. Okay. So let us use the equation number 2. This I1 is equal to minus I1 dash, which is equal to CV2 minus DI2. But from the equation 1, V1 equal to 0. Okay. So AV2 minus BI2. Yes. So from this equation, AV2 equal to BI2. So from this I2 equal to A by B. I2 equal to what? I2 equal to B by A, na? Yes. AV2 equal to BI2. So I2 equal to B by yes. I2 equal to A by B V2. Now substitute this value. Let us say this is equation number 3. Okay. Substitute V2 value in equation 3. Now see. So from 3 minus I1 dash equal to CV2 minus D into I2 value is what? A by B V2. Okay. So So from this, if you take the V2 common, okay, C minus AD by B I1 dash equal to, so minus V2. You send this minus to this side. Next, therefore I1 dash equal to V2 into AD by B minus C. You multiply this minus to the bracket, inside the bracket. Therefore, V2 into AD minus BC by B. This is B is the LCM. Therefore, V2 by I1 dash is equal to AD minus, sorry. So we bring this, it is B by AD minus BC. AD minus BC. Equation number this is 4, I think, yes. So this is 4, equation 4. Now this is equation number 5. Now according to what? So according to reciprocity, okay. According to equation A, the condition for reciprocity is nothing but what? So equation 3 must be equal to equation 5. So what is equation 3? V1 by V2 by, that is V2 by I1 dash, sorry. V1 by I2 dash is equal to B, that must be equal to V2 by I1 dash. So that is B by, sorry, B equal to B by AD minus BC. So B cancel, one's a. So do the cross multiplication. Therefore, AD minus BC equal to 1. So this is the condition for reciprocity in ABCD parameters. Okay. Now let us summarize our today lecture. Okay. Summarize the today lecture. So first 2 point. Okay. For Z parameters. Okay. Z parameters. Z11, Z12, Z21, Z22. So for reciprocity, what? This Z12 equal to Z21. That means, so these elements must be equal. Next, Y parameters, Y11, Y12, Y21, Y22. So for reciprocity, Y12 equal to Y21. So these has we derived already. Y12 equal to Y21. Next, for H parameters. Okay, H parameters. Now what is the condition? So for H parameters, H11, H12, H21, H22. Now condition for reciprocity is what? H12 must be equal to minus H21. That means, so these values are, okay, exactly opposite, that is minus negative values. If H12 is positive, okay, same value of negative value is H21. Or if H21 is positive, okay, same value of negative value is H12. So that's what the condition for reciprocity in H parameters. Next two, ABCD parameters are T parameters. Okay, A, B, C, D. Now what is the condition for reciprocity? So AD minus BC equal to 1. That means this AD minus BC. So nothing but what? Our determinant. Okay. So determinant of this ABCD matrix is 1. Okay. Or T matrix determinant is 1. T matrix determinant is 1. So this is the conclusion of the today lecture. Thank you for listening to the class.